Welcome to Chapter 4, Part 7, where we're going to learn how to use the arrange commands to change the stacking order of objects. So the first thing I need you to do is go to your handout drive. So go to File, Open. Go to Handout under this PC, all the way to the bottom to Business Handouts, Schonfer, Computer Graphics 2, Chapter 4, and then we are going to open 4-4. Once the file opens, we are going to access our selection tool, which of course is our first tool. So make sure your selection tool is active, and then we're going to click on this yellow bar. So now we're going to click Object, and then Arrange, and we are going to select the Bring Forward option. The yellow rectangle is going to move forward only one level within the stacking order. Now we're going to click on the red square, and we are going to go to Object, Arrange, and then we are going to select Bring to the Front. So when you do Bring Forward, it's just one level. When you do Bring to the Front, it's to the very front of everything. Now we're going to select both the yellow rectangle and the blue circle. So selecting the yellow rectangle, holding down Shift, and selecting the blue rectangle as well. We're going to go to Object, and then Arrange, and then Bring to the Front. Bring to Front. And now we're going to put that yellow rectangle and that blue circle in front of our red, which we just previously brought to the front. And now we're going to click on the green circle, and then go to our application bar, and we're going to go to Arrange, Object, Arrange, and then Bring to Front again. So you'll notice that this is a way that we can rearrange the stacking order, kind of working as layers within our document. So now we're going to go to Edit, Select All, and then we're going to open up our Align panel again, which mine is still open. If yours is not, go to Window, Objects and Layout, and select Align. Under our Align panel, we are going to select the Align Horizontal Center. So remember, Align is up here, and then hovering over, it's the second one over, and it's the horizontal centers. And we're going to click on that option. I didn't have everything selected, so I'm going to go back to Edit, Select All, and then do my Align Horizontal Centers again. And now the blue circle is completely behind the green circle. So now we're going to deselect all by clicking at our pasteboard. We are going to click the center of the green circle, and then we're going to press and hold Control, and then click the center of the green circle again. So holding down Control, clicking on the green circle again in the center, and now the blue circle behind it is what is selected. So now we can go to Object, Arrange, and then we are going to select Bring Forward. Remember, that brings it forward one level. So now we should have the stacking order of the red, then the yellow, then the green, and the blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to deselect all, and then select just the blue circle. Once we have the blue circle selected, we're going to press and hold Control, and then press the blue circle again to select the green circle behind it. So hold down Control, click the blue circle again so that we can select the object behind it. This will become very useful when you're moving things around and you notice that you have an object behind something else. Without having to rearrange everything, you can select the objects behind it. Now we are going to hold down Control again and click the blue circle again, and it'll allow us to select the rectangle. So holding down Control, clicking again, and it's going to go one step back. And then we're going to hold down Control again, and then select our red square now, because that's on the furthest back layer. So now what you are going to do is you are going to save your work. So going to File, Save As, and we are going to save this one as last name, comma, first name, and we're going to call this one stack and layer. You will go ahead and turn in this assignment to Google Classroom because in lesson or part 8 we will use a new file.